Hello and welcome to a new history lesson, Defeat of Internal Enemies. So, let's start. By use of force. The Mawlas of the 12 Mawals gathered round Shivaji, ready to do his bidding. They lived for Swaraj and were willing to die for it. They loved Shivaji more than their life. But some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. He had to bring such people to book. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade were two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. The Shah incited them against Shivaji. They created a lot of trouble in the Kondana district, but Shivaji was more than a match for them. He defeated and drove them out. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Paltan was Shivaji's own brother-in-law, but Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. However, later on, members of this family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, a near relative of Shivaji, also started plotting against Shivaji. Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. With Shivaji, duty came first and relatives afterwards. Now let us talk about Chandra Rao More of Javli. The greatness of Shivaji's achievements was recognized and applauded everywhere. He captivated the heart of his people. Some people did not like this. They looked upon Shivaji as a mole in the eye. The More of Javli was one such person. More was the Jagirdar of Javli. This Jagir, which extended from Raigarh to Koyna Valley, along with the title Chandra Rao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Javli was covered with such a thick forest that even during broad daylight, the sun's rays hardly penetrated it. It was full of wild life. Tigers, wolves, and bears roamed freely in the Javli forest. More's Javli was thus like a tiger's hideout. No one therefore crossed More's path. Only Shivaji had the courage to do so. Daulata Rao More died in 1645. There was fight for the succession among his descendants. Shivaji backed Yashwantrao More, who, with Shivaji's help, ascended the Gaddi as Chandra Rao. In return for Shivaji's help, Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay him an annual tribute. But he forgot all this once he succeeded to the Gaddi. He became impertinent and troublesome. He started attacking Shivaji's territory and harassing the people. Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. Children, now we will continue this lesson in the second video. Till then, go through the lesson and thank you.